Welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair or reset the pairing with the DREAME TV remote control. So right now my remote control is paired with my TV, and thankfully even if your remote control isn't paired with your TV, it is still equipped in a blaster, infrared blaster most probably, that allows it to use control your TV even if it's unpaired from it. And so if you want to unpair your TV remote control, first of all you're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon on the home screen to open quick settings. Then go to all settings by selecting the gear icon once again. After that, scroll down to the very bottom of this list to go to remotes and accessories. Make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Then select your remote control right here, and to unpair it, select forget, then click yes, and then wait until your remote control is unpaired. Then in order to pair our TV remote control, we're gonna have to press and hold the home button. I'm not sure if you can actually see it. So the home button and the return button. Okay, let me actually increase the light a bit. Okay, so the home button and the return button simultaneously until you see the green LED on top of your remote control blinking. Now we can select pair accessory, and at this point you should see your TV remote on the list, so just click OK and wait until it is paired with your TV. Okay, and it is paired, so right now the TV remote control is paired and we can start using our voice control by holding down the microphone button. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.